This is the first time in a long time that we can say with confidence what the next few months will bring for the economy. Jerome Powell has said that he will cut interest rates by 50 basis points. This will help more money flow back into the crypto market in the long run. Today, Raoul Pal is here to talk about this money cycle and what we can expect for Bitcoin, XRP, and the rest of the crypto market now that we have all this great news. To make sure that everyone in the crypto space sees this movie, please click the like button. Now let's start. M2 has been ahead of Bitcoin for 10 weeks. Need something better. Wait, no, that's not good enough for me. On top of Bitcoin, I can give you the GMI total liquidity, which is the liquidity in both the private and public sectors. This is where the banana zone is, it says. The only thing that comes to mind is that the banana zone is where I see it everywhere I look. Seasonality in Bitcoin election years, October and up only. These are also big moves. The Russell 2000 is the same. I'm not going to look at all of Julian's charts because it would be unfair. Tomorrow we'll do the same thing to the Real Vision VIP group we're going to talk about some of our stuff in more depth during the AMA. This is Bitcoin from last year and this year, really? This is La Land, ETH from last year to this year. Oh, and by the way, that's the simple Bitcoin design. I mean, everything I see screams Banana Zone. My Banana Zone t-shirt is on right now because I think it's going to come. It should be here in a few days or a week. Before I said, I don't know, maybe it's next month, the month after, or this week. I say, no, Julian and I work for the most well-known study service, Global Macro Investor. Check it out at glob.com if you haven't already. That's where we do our work. That's where the real work gets done. No one else does as much macro, crypto work as we do. In fact, I think our macro work is the best in the world. And we worked on this for a very long time. I know it sounds arrogant, but I really believe that this banana zone will happen almost right away 80% of the time. In 2 weeks, give it 2 weeks. And I'm aware that when I wear my Banana Zone t-shirt and stick my neck out, I might jinx the thing. But as I said, all of our goals and dreams are in this, including mine. Almost everyone I talk to works with Real Vision as a company. I've been on the phone with some friends of mine who are billionaire GMI members. This is what everyone wants to happen. People care about this, so they all want it to happen. Technology has made it possible to skin this cat in a lot of different ways. But really, people have been like this because of high interest rates and a slow business cycle that I call bundling along. A lot of people on Twitter are saying things like, oh my God, the markets are all-time high. What is everyone so upset about? Talk to real people whose mortgages, interest payments, and credit card bills look like that. Talk to companies that need to borrow money that aren't tech companies with AA ratings and no debt, all of this stuff. For a while now, things have been really, really hard. There haven't been rates this high in a very long time. Interest rates changed at a very fast rate. Right now, inflation is way below interest rates. In this case, real rates are way too low. It's felt by people. Not many people are happy. People can't yet spend their own money on what they want, but soon they will be able to. It's coming. There are changes in the business cycle. Now, all of you business owners who see how slow the cycle is and wonder why the stock market is hitting all-time highs, but your company isn't yet, can relax. It will all come together. Things are going to get a lot better. Liquidity is what moves the stock market. The business cycle affects your wages and mine. So it's really very easy. The Federal Reserve controls the monetary cycle, which in turn controls the business cycle. The business cycle, in turn, controls all the markets, right? It's important for business to be productive, right? Because of course, when businesses are doing well, they make a lot of money and can hire more people. This means that there is more money in circulation because the economy is doing better. It's a win-win-win situation for everyone. And the Federal Reserve's decision to lower interest rates is a big step in the right direction. Finally, I want to give you all a warning. And something I want to warn you about. I think Raoul Pal is a little too optimistic when he says it will happen in a week. He's very excited over this. If you look at past monetary cycles and the start of quantitative easing, I don't think it will happen that quickly. It does take a little while. It's possible. But I think it will take a little longer because interest rates are still very high, even after the most recent drop of a basis point. Also, I know that there will be more drops in the future. So let's give it some time, okay? 50 basis points down has been great this month. The rate is expected to go up by 25 basis points again next month, and it will likely stay that high every month until the end of the year. And I do think there is a strong case for saying that October could be a great month, and Raoul Pal did talk a little about this. Another reason I think it will be a great month is that we're likely to see another basis point drop. A lot more money will be able to flow through the markets, and businesses will keep making more money. I don't mean for the money machine to connect to the internet. Because we just talked about inflation, that is, of course, a little scary. Still, though, there is more. Money in the markets, there is less debt, especially credit card debt, and unemployment is lower. All of those are great. I'd like to see more of that. I hope you all do too. Now, here's the deal. I do believe that now is most likely one of the best times to begin trading on the markets, right? Of course, if you look at Bitcoin, there's a really great chance to short it right now. You can see that it's actually way too expensive right now. It's the same with a lot of other cryptocurrency too. Ethereum is also getting very close to that spot. When we look at XRP, we can see that it has been bought too, much for a long time. And I really do believe that this is going to be a great chance. I have 2 open shorts for XRP right now. For the time being, at least for the next 3 to 4 days, I'm going to keep these open because I think there will be a big pullback after the recent run-up. Hey guys, if you want to make money with me, listen up. I've made tens of thousands of dollars in the last month trading these with all of my fans. Also, you can get into this prize pool right here if you use my link. I want to encourage you to join Margerix through the link I've provided below. If you do, you will be able to access this prize pool just for selling crypto. If you're in the top 5, you'll get some of this prize pool in XRP. That's really simple for you guys to do. For that reason, you should trade like crazy because the competition is very strong here. There are some crazy traders on this list, and guys, things are about to get really exciting. Raoul makes a good point. Lots of cash will be coming back into the markets, and we know for sure that this will happen. We know that the Federal Reserve wants to keep dropping interest rates. This is good for the economy as a whole, especially since inflation is just above 2% right now. Yes, we are. You hit the nail on the head and are ready to roll in 2025. After hearing what Drone Paul said, it's possible that the bull run will begin a little earlier than expected. Listen, I thought it would happen in the middle of next year, 2025, but now I think it might happen first, like at the beginning of the second quarter. I'm pretty excited about that. I think you guys have a lot to look forward to. If you're excited, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so that everyone sees this. Also, don't forget to sign up for Margex and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.